Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this video. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 2785, sort vowels in a string. So just going to read out the spec here. Given a zero index string S, permute S to get a new string T such that all consonants remain in their original place. More formally, if there's an index I, which is between 0 and the length of S, that each element in S, such that if an element is a consonant, then it remains in its original place. The vowels must be sorted in non-decreasing order, so in ascending order, of their ASCII values. More formally, for pairs of indices j, 0, I, for pairs of indices between 0 and s dot length, such that the elements are vowels, then okay, so it's just saying they must go up in ascending order. They must be sorted in ascending order. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they can appear in lower or uppercase. Consonants comprise all letters that are not vowels. In example 1, you can see here, this is it unsorted, and this is it sorted. Here, E and comes before this E, and that is because in ASCII, like the uppercase, the capital letters come before the lowercase letters, so it'll be capital A, B, C, D, D all the way through Z, and then it'll be lowercase a all the way through Z. So that's why it goes in that order. So constraints. The length is between 1 and 10 to the power 5, and it will only have upper and lowercase characters. So I'm just going to switch over to my notes here and try and talk through this. So ideas. I think what we're going to do is iterate. We're going to have to iterate through the string. If the string, or if the character is a vowel, add it to a list. We'll just add it to a list. That's the first thing we want to do. And then we want to sort the list of vowels. We're going to make a new string. That's going to be our output string. Then what we're going to do is iterate over the original string again. Iterate over, or just say through, because that's what I said before. Iterate through the string again. If character is a vowel, append vowel at index count. Create a counter. Okay. At index count, increment counter. Okay, what else do we need to do? If character is not a vowel, append the character to output. Same here. And then we just need to return output here. And I think that's all we have to do basically. Let's copy paste this in here, comment it out, iterate through the string. So for character in S, and we want a list of vowels. That's what we said. Vowels is going to be equal to this empty list to start off with. If character in, and then we want a E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, and finally U. Let's say vowel of character and vowels, and then we can have another empty list called like found vowels. That might be a bit easier. If character and vowel, so if it is a vowel, then we're going to do found vowels dot append character. Then what we're going to do, once we've iterated, we're going to do sorted found vowels is going to be equal to sorted found vowels. Then we're going to make a counter, start it at 0, iterate through a string again, so we're going to say for character in S, take these two lines. For character in S, for character in S, if character in vowels, what we're going to do, we're going to do output dot append, and then we're going to add whatever's in this list at index count. Then we're going to do this incremented by 1, that's what we said, increment counter, and then we can just say else, because if it's not a vowel, it's going to be a consonant. We're going to do output dot append character, and then we also have to, we'll put this up here, we need our output. This is going to be an empty string to begin with, and we're going to return output, hit run. String object has no attribute append. Oh, what line is that on? 23. Okay, that's why. Strings are immutable, so this has to be a list, and then we can just join up the output, the elements in output with an empty string. So it's just going to concatenate everything, and hopefully this works. Both cases were accepted. Let's hit submit, and hopefully accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope that was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient or just different, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So thank you for watching the video once again, and I hope you have a great day.